And we are cooking through the calendar. What could be earlier on the calendar than what? New Year's Day. Happy New Year, everyone. Today we are going to make what they're calling a retro dish, and it is a marinated dish called Copper Pennies. Now, you're supposed to eat these traditionally on New Year's Day so that you will have prosperity in the New Year's, like monetary prosperity, hence the copper pennies. All right. These carrots have been parboiled. I put them in, covered them with water, salted water, and I cooked them for about 8 minutes till they were crisp tender. And now we have them in these bowls. So the copper part is supposed to be sliced carrots. All right, now guys, there are 2 recipes for this. One, we're going to use tomato soup, which is a prepared product, which is the original recipe for copper pennies. The other recipe is without tomato soup, which is a processed item. We're going to be using stewed or pureed tomatoes instead of the tomato soup, which is not a processed product. So we're going to make, I have the recipe, and we're going to make it both ways, and then you guys can choose whichever recipe you like. Very, very simple. We're going to do it all together. We'll be done. You can do this on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. It's supposed to sit for 24 hours or at least overnight so that everything can marinate, hence the marinated vegetable idea. But anyway, here it goes. Okay, so I've got a pound here, I've got a pound here. To that, we're going to add a half of a green pepper, and you're supposed to add 1 sweet onion. Now, our onions were huge, so I halved a huge Vidalia sweet onion, and you're supposed to separate them into slices. So that's what I did. We're going to add that. We're going to add half of it to one. Same thing with the other. Let me separate these pieces of onion into our bowl. All right. Those are your copper pennies. Those are your vegetables. To that, we will add sauces. Let's do the retro sauce first. We've got our tomato soup. To that, we are going to add vinegar, oil, salt, Worcester, and sugar. All right. Let's stir that up with our whisk. Combine our sauce ingredients. As I said, now this is the traditional. This is the original copper penny recipe with the tomato soup. All right. Tomato soup is condensed tomato soup, just that you buy at your grocery store. It has not been diluted. It's just straight out of the can. All right. So there are our copper pennies, the traditional. Let me move this out of the way. And we'll move on to the revamped recipe without processed food. This is the pureed tomatoes. To that, we'll add the sugar, the vinegar, the oil, salt, and Worcester. All right, let's give that a stir. Let's whisk that up. This is, like I say, this is the, without being prepared, the prepared food. All right, got that. And let's put it into these copper pennies. Now, the recipe calls for a whole onion or 2 small onions, 1 whole green pepper, and 2 pounds of carrots. But what I have here, this is half of it. So I could show you guys the traditional recipe, and this half is the new recipe. So we're going to pour that up into our bowl. It makes a lot, guys. I mean, look at this bowl, and that's only half the recipe. So as I said, what makes this a good deal is you can go ahead and mix it up the day before, or even 2 days before, 3 days before, let it marinate. And then on New Year's Day, when maybe you're a little late getting up, it's already be ready. All right? Enjoy Copper Pennies.